This is L. Harshita Prasad. Our Guru Nanak institutions not only provide best quality education but also encourages the students with creative mind and multiple talents. Among them, one such person is Abhishek, who is a Rubik artist, the boy behind the portrait art made with Rubik cubes. Hi Abhishek.
Hi Harshita.
So can you explain me about your artwork?
Yeah. Rubik art is a concept of mosaic effect, which means that collection of cubes creates a portrait. It takes approximately 5 to 6 hours to create a portrait for me. I even do pixel paintings and pixel arts, pixel drawings, where I paint approximately 18,000 to 19,000 pixels per portrait. So it takes a long time to do it.
Okay. So how do you promote your artwork?
Yeah. I do have an Insta page called Rubikartistry, even my YouTube channel also. Like that I promote, even I conduct events. I'll do in shopping malls and even in function halls. They'll give their private pics so that I create my portraits like Rubik art and I promote like that.
Okay, so this kind of artwork needs a lot of supportive background and motivation.
Yeah.
So who gives you motivation and who supports you?
At starting, my parents have supported me a lot. They have a lot of confidence on me. Later, my friends had told that it can be an startup idea. So that is how I started my Insta page. And later, even the college management have supported me a lot. The management have given me all rights to do Rubik art regarding that in the college surroundings.
Okay. So you're basically a college student, right?
Yeah.
So with the full-time classes. So you just said that it takes a lot of time. So how do you manage your time?
Yeah, sometimes even I work late nights. As I have told, it's a long time to do a pixels painting. It will take approximately 5 to 6 days to complete pixels paint. So I split my time accordingly after coming from the college in the evenings, sometimes in the mornings. As I have told, even the late nights I need to work.
Okay. So this kind of artwork have many world records and all. So do you have something like a dream project or kind of?
Yeah. My dream project is to work as an biggest pixel artist. That's my dream project.
Okay. So like many people like love your artwork and loves you. So something you need to suggest or you want to advise them for
Yeah.
the people who want to learn from you?
Yeah. I'll suggest that they should know their own interests. They should focus on their goals. They shouldn't waste their time.
Okay. So this was a great conversation. Thank
Yeah.
you.